Hey, what's up? So I'm on my third day right now at the National Tool Show here in Las Vegas, and I'm gonna be heading out pretty soon, but I wanted to cover a couple different items that I thought were really important to kind of start looking at and see where the market's going. Hey, so I'm here with WorkIQ, and they have this really interesting vice grip that if you're on a farm or you're working in the garage, you have to take a look at this vice grip, because just the maneuverability about it really makes changing out working on your weed eater, working on your chainsaw at a whole different level. So we're gonna go ahead and take it over to Brandon. Brandon's gonna give us a quick intro on it. Brandon, go ahead and show us a little bit about this vice grip.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're looking at this vise here. It's permanently mounted here to the base. A traditional vise, this is the plane that you're working in. You know, you might be able to swivel it here and there. With the IQ vise, you can actually lift up on this cam lever and rotate it in any direction you want to. Completely 360 degrees, lock it at any angle. You can even lay it straight down flat if you'd like, and that holds the work off the workbench. I can cut this off, route the edges, drill holes in it. You finish one side of this board, simply take it and flip it over and finish the other side of the board all in one go. The other key benefit there is this vise has exchangeable jaws. So I can pop these pins out, pull off my woodworking jaws. They're all double-sided, so there's a nice squishy side on the other. Say I wanted to work on this pipe here. Traditional vise, you've got 2 points of contact. Stick a pipe in there, it slips and slides around no matter how tight you get it. So I can grab our pipe fit jaws. It's got 9 serrations for 18 points of contact. You simply slide this over the hardened steel vise, pop this in, and then now, as you're articulating the vise around, those jaws stay put. You can slide this pipe in, lock it in place, and now it's not going to go anywhere. The other key benefit is this ball itself here has grooves on the bottom of it. So you can take our locking pin, slide it into the steel ball, and physically lock it into place.
Let me see that again.
Grooves and the steel locking pin.
Oh,
there.
nice. I like that.
So you can do that in 8 positions. 4 perfectly vertical at every 90 degrees. You also can lay it down at every 90 degrees. Simply take your locking pin, slide it in. That's 130 foot-pounds of torque. It's not going to go anywhere on you.
Nice, Brandon. So, like, let's say, for instance, too, you have kids, you want to be working on the bike nice and safely, and you want to secure something really good. I wanted to really kind of emphasize that it is multi-faceted to different types of products too, not just like weed eaters or just pipes, but you can stick an actual bike on that entire thing. So, and flip it completely around. You need to do X, Y, Z with it. You got to change the tires out. Or let's say you got to change you want to teach your kids on how to work on it. Well, this gives it a really good, safe environment to actually be able to work on your items. But let's go ahead and do something a little bit more of what would be kind of more on our range of things. Is that I have a farm and I'm constantly working on the chainsaw, taking it out and changing the blades and changing the bars. But what's going to happen is I'm going to introduce Tom over here, and he's going to show us a little bit more about how to use it with some power tools.
Yeah, so we have a way to work on chainsaws on multiple different, allowing you to do multiple things. You can sharpen the chain, you can work on the carburetor, you can dump the gas, you can clean out the gas and put new gas in it. But I can rotate it around upside down, any angle, and then lock it in with this cam lever. And then I've got these ports on here that we haven't talked about yet, but
oh, wow.
These allow me to get some extra lighting if I need it.
There you go. I like that.
I can get the light right where I want it.
Look at that.
We also have a magnifying glass over here if you're having trouble seeing what you're working on. And then if you need a little help figuring out how to work on your project, we have a cell phone holder that allow you to watch YouTube videos.
There you go. You could actually film with it while you're working on stuff too.
Yeah.
That is really awesome. I'm really interested in checking out this product further. And for my farm people out there and my mechanics out there, this would be awesome, especially if you're working on a carburetor, okay? Or you're trying to get something to where you're holding in it and positioning it, and just actually get a magnifying glass on it. You have to hit a hard to reach item and you need to change something on your weed eater. I definitely recommend taking a look at this product. Hey Tom, so where can I go ahead and pick one of these up at?
Oh, just search for WorkIQ Tools on Amazon. You'll go to our company store, you'll see the vise there, and it's prime, so you can get it very quickly.
Perfect, thanks a lot, Tom. Brandon, thanks a lot. I'm here at the CAT booth with Jennifer, and they have some amazing floor jacks. So whether you're gonna be lifting up your trucks or you're working on your cars on the weekend, I want you to take a look at these floor jacks because they look really interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and let Jennifer explain that.
Hi guys, so first up we have our 210 U-jack. So as you can see here, this is really handy because it comes with 2 jack stands. So you know when you're lifting your vehicles and you have that sweet spot where you can lift it and then you've got to put your jack stand on? Well, this provides you the ability to put that in that sweet spot so that you can lift, release, and your vehicle is on the jack stand already.
Good deal. Let me see that second one over there.
This one is our most popular jack right now, the 3-ton low profile. Great for lifting dropped cars, trucks. Like I said, this is our top seller right now. And then this is the Cadillac.
Ah, I do like this one.
This
one looked
is
good in
the
garage.
Cadillac, our off-road jack. So big wheels, great for maneuvering around gravel, sand. When you're out there on the Baja and you need to make some repairs, this is exactly what you're looking for. The extended saddle, as you see there, great lifting range.
Does that come up just a little
Yep.
bit? Oh, look at that, the adjustment on it. So if you got something lifted, and how high does this go?
This one I think is 29 inches. 5.75 to 29 inches.
Go ahead and hit that guy up. Let's see how fast it lifts up. Oh, look at that. That's pretty quick. I like that. Woo, guys, look at that. Nice, sturdy. Look at that hydraulic inside it. It is massive for a jack. I like that. I like the height of that. That's awesome. Big wheels on it so you can move it around once you have it up.
Goes over your air hoses, all of that stuff. Easy maneuverability.
Excellent, excellent. Jennifer, thanks a lot. We really appreciate you giving a quick review for us
You're
on
very
these jacks.
welcome.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
So I want to go ahead and introduce you Alice with Suretorq, and she's going to be showing us a little bit about kind of their bits and impact bits that's available over Amazon. And I would take a look at this, especially if you're looking to pick up a whole entire set for your new impact that you just bought. Alice, let's go ahead and show me a little bit about your impact bits.
Hey guys, so we have a beautiful set here with some nut setters and 2-inch bits and 1-inch bits, and we also have a magnetizer, demagnetizer that comes in handy if you're working with heights. So that's going to charge your bit, and the tip will hold on to the screws for you, so you're not dropping as much, because we all know we fumble a lot when we use our tools.
Absolutely, absolutely. You know how it is when you're underneath a vehicle.
And then I also want to show you guys, in my hand here, we have this great security bit set. So all of them are 1 inch. This is everything you're going to ever need. And then it also comes with a bit holder, so you can use it with your driver. And all of our bits are both regular driver and impact driver compatible. Everything is made with high quality S2 steel. And then we have all the licenses, so there's no problem with matching what you are going to find out there.
Excellent. Can you show me a little bit more about the other products you have on the wall over there?
Sure, great. So we have other Torq Security. We're a fully licensed company to make all of these items. And then we have some great carabiner clips here. So normally, if you want, you can clip it to your belt. And this piece is just a card. So it clips onto your belt like this. Very convenient. If you're going up and down the ladders, this is the thing that you will need.
Awesome. Well, Alice, thank you so much for showing us a little bit about what you guys have over here. Go ahead and take a look at this online, Suretorq. Claim a marker. Okay.
All right.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Listen, I'm here at the COSCO booth, and you guys know how much I love the products. You guys know how much I love all of their tables and items that you can use for storage. But what I want to do is I want to talk to Clayton over here, and he's going to help us a little bit pretty much on what's coming new, especially if you're into gardening. So let's go ahead and take this over to Clayton. Hey,
yeah,
Clayton.
Absolutely. Hi. So we've got this on Amazon right now. If you're into gardening, or if you have any patio furniture outside, anything with lots of cushions, and you need some storage in the weather, we've got a 150-gallon deck box right now. So one thing we're really known for in our brand is our blow mold tables. So we brought that to deck boxes. I think right now in the market you'll see a lot of deck boxes made out of thin plastic, or they're glued together, they peel apart in weather. What we wanted to do is bring a real solid, sturdy blow mold deck box solution, very similar to a lot of our blow mold tables. It's a lot different in the market. You'll see a lot of competitors out there with a lot of thin material. So it's great. You need to store mulch, you need to store equipment, you want to store away your cushions, get it out of the weather. It's absolutely perfect for that.
Thanks a lot, Clayton. Clayton, you want to go ahead and show me about that cabinet that's over there?
Absolutely.
I'm really interested in this. This actually looks really cool.
So we've got our lightweight aluminum garage storage cabinet. Right now this comes as the single base, but you can opt to buy both. They do stack, so it's very modular. Aluminum shell with a lightweight resin core, and on the inside we've got steel cabinets with a 100-pound weight rating on each shelf. So the idea is we're going to be building out a garage ecosystem. We have our workbenches, we have our garage stools, and obviously the COSCO iconic red retro step stool. And as we're developing, we're looking to build a more holistic garage solution. You can mix and match, you can have your base cabinets, you can set it to a 6-foot, and coming down the pipeline eventually we'll have our wall cabinets as well.
Excellent. Clayton, yes. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much for showing me more about COSCO. Hey, Clayton, go ahead and tell me about this awesome step stool that you got that'll be perfect for kids.
Yeah, absolutely. For all you new parents out there, all you current parents, I'm sure you've seen a lot about kitchen towers so that your kids can help out in the kitchen, help out with dishes. They want to be up with mom and dad, they want to learn. We've seen that in the market, one of the biggest problems with that is you have these big, bulky, wooden solutions that are heavy and you can't put them away, and they can only be used by your child. What we have here is a step stool, our kitchen stepper. It's got a large platform for the little one to get on top of, but also rated for 225. This is an adult step stool. And one of the great things about this, not only is the price point much cheaper than a traditional wood, it also folds flat and can be stored quickly away in any side cabinet and brought out whenever you need it. We come in 3 colors. We've got this mint green, we've got a navy, and we've got a white gray. Currently on Amazon.
Cool deal. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try out this COSCO kids, really kid friendly, actually this kitchen stepper. It's pretty strong. I definitely like it. Okay. Easy to fold up. Looks awesome. Go ahead and pick one up on Amazon.
I'm going to give you a little demonstration. So this is a conventional toothed ratchet. This is 180 teeth, a Craftsman item. I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to try and turn this fastener in this narrow space. I'm going to show you that even with 180 teeth, I'm unable to move that fastener. But with the 0 degree gearless, so we have no teeth, no pawl, no springs. I'm going to put it on the fastener, and there I'm able to move the fastener within this little area, you can see.
Yeah,
I'm able to grab it and turn it within that little area. So the 0 degree ratchet meets ANSI specs for proof torque and life cycle. Comes with by 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch sizes, right here. Okay. And we have the same technology applied to a ratcheting wrench. So 2 7-piece sets, SAE and metric.
Oh look, you got the kits right there
and
too.
These kits here with sockets.
Oh, everybody like those.
So these are available at HomeDepot.com, Zorro.com, TractorSupply.com, Amazon.
Perfect, perfect. Hey, so I wanted to show you guys a little cool invention done, but it's called EXO Fit. And what it does is it eliminates you having to create specific wrenches in case you're under a vehicle and you have a hard to reach area and you have to cut pretty much any sort of wrench and kind of weld them together because you got to curve it around. You got to check this out. Let's go ahead and take it over to Brian.
Hi. So we've developed this product called the EXO Fit Extreme Access Ratcheting Wrench. So it operates like a standard ratcheting wrench. This is a 90 gear teeth box end, but it's removable and interchangeable with a range of other sizes. This is a metric set, so there are 8 sizes of these inserts. We have an SAE that also has the 8 sizes. So it's like 8 wrenches in one kit, and then this neat blow case to store everything. So what this is the unique part about this is it has 2 locking pivot joints that allow you to, let me get it for you, allow you to maneuver this thing into a lot of different positions, okay? So make things easier to reach. It passes ANSI torque for, at proof torque for ratcheting wrenches. The insert can be positioned this way to provide even more range of intricate places in which you can put the wrench.
So let me go ahead and show me the packages I could get with it.
So these are just showing the SAE set, metric set. These are available at Amazon, Depot, Zorro, TractorSupply.com.
Excellent, thanks a lot, Brian, we appreciate that.
All right, you're welcome.
So I'm here with 0 Degree and we're gonna be talking to Brian and he's gonna be helping us out, knowing a little bit, getting us a little bit educated on the 0 Degree socket. So when you're actually putting in something in, you wanna tighten something down properly and torque it good, and you are getting the absolute amount of movement in somewhere where it's hard to reach, this is the product to look at.
So what we've developed is a product called 0 Degree. It's a gearless ratcheting mechanism for ratchets and ratcheting wrenches.